whatever you want, sis. I mean, we could do the
Right. They seem to fight.
Yeah, it's hard to feel like you get the water out of your hair.
Flames, rock, Tabasco, and lemon.
And you better turn that thing off. She said you don't.
Especially my face.
I know, me neither. I hate people touching my face.
Don't touch my face. Maybe they'll be touching my genitals and be touching my face. It's very, very personal.
All right, wait, touching your what?
My genitals.
Jelly rolls?
No one wants to touch either one.
It's a turtle.
Wait, John, who's dad texting?
Tom.
Oh, his man crush.
His bromance. Where's the bromance?
Oh, Tom.
And the reason we go in the water together is that
Whatever.
we can keep an eye on the kids.
It's so that you can touch each other underwater.
If you wait one at a time, then you can take a check on the kids longer. Then they have to sit next to each other. Today I sat in Daddy's seat when he was like, "You're in my seat. You're gonna have to I don't know."
It had my towel. It had my
It had your bromance next to it.
Oh, that's right.
We're captains at the helm. We're watching everything, keeping everybody safe.
He didn't have his view of his girl next door. He was next to his bro. They like to hold hands sometimes.
There were some nice looking ones.
They like to sing rock and roll together.
We're captains. We're driving the ship.
Alright, come on.
Behave with the hat says.
What?
You ready? You ready?
I hate these families.
What if we got stuck up here? Oh, frigger! Give me a scream!
Hold on tight to
Oh, wiener!
that. Hold on tight to that.
Oh my god!
You don't have to drop. It's the jump.
My back! Dr. Lips! God damn it!
Mama, I got a bite. You know what it tastes like?
O-ring.
Really?
One of these days, the ground will drop out from beneath your feet. One of these days, your heart will stop and play its final beat. One of these these days your heart will stop and play its final beat. But it's alright.
See you next year, Ocean Beach.
Easy for you to say.